Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually install the Rovo Chrome extension. So of course you actually need to be within your Chrome browser, and you need to click on more options. So before all of that, you need to click on Ask Rovo, and you're going to see, when you click on three dots, you have Chrome extension. We're gonna go for it. Oh, it's already 50,000 users, and the ratings are 4.7. That's actually pretty good. And you can actually see how this works. So you can use it on any site, which is something that is really useful. Search your entire workspace, another great thing, and definitions in your docs. And in here, you can even see that basically you're using your Google Docs. That's even better. All right, so we need to, well, install this. I'm gonna click Add to Chrome, and I'm gonna be doing everything. So it's doing the install, and with the Robo extension, we're redirected in here. So you can search for anything, or you can have your work homepage. This page will change by Rovo search, and I'm going to click on Keep it. Alright, so this is how it actually looks like. Alright, so we have a lot of stuff in here. So it's saying good evening, Nicola, and as you can see from here, it's using the Chrome extension. So if I go for a new tab in here, for the new tab, it's gonna be using Rovo. Oh, okay. This is gonna be powerful. So from here, I can already see my work. From here, I can see the Rovo, but from here, I can actually navigate to one of my pages. That's actually pretty good. And I have some options in here that I can toggle. And of course, I can define which site I can actually use in here. So for example, if I want, I can be going for this organization right here. I can even create work item. I can create a page or even a whiteboard. That's actually pretty good. So this can actually be done from your Rovo. So I can close my Jira, and I can work with anything I want. So if I go to my new tab here, so the Rovo is still in there, and I can search Confluence Jira connected apps just like the Google. Or in here, I can write a prompt to get started. So that is another option in here. I can say, what is a Rovo Chrome extension? All right, so from here it takes me to Rovo. So it's saying I will look up for this. And there we go. That's your Atlassian Rovo anywhere. So you can new tab, which is optional, so that this doesn't have to be there. You can, admins can auto install it across the company and everything else. So it lets you bring Rovo in your business search in any tab in Chrome. So you can search for questions and things like that. Yeah, that's actually kind of interesting, because now I can go like Atlassian, and still it's going to be in Google. That is definitely true. So from here, I cannot really go in and use Rovo, because the question would be like, well, what for now? And if I go from here, when I click on the extension itself, I have it. I have it from here. So, can you summarize the page that I am on right now? That is going to be a trick question for Rovo. here's a concise page that you are on. There we go. So the short answer is yes. And it says Atlassian is a leading provider of AI-powered team collaboration work management tools like Jira, Confluence, Trello that is used by 300,000 companies in more than 200 countries, including 80%. Wow, 80% of Fortune 500 companies. Oh, and then you have more stuff. AI-powered Jira, focus on empowering every team, and so on and so forth. What are the key features of Jira and everything else? So I can really go on. All right, so explain the context of the page I am on right now. So basically it's system of work. Basically it's a philosophy. So yeah. All right, so Atlassian main marketing homepage. So now basically I'm not there. Position the Jira and everything else. So how to interpret. All right, so interesting. So it's not there, which is fine, which is okay, understandable. But then again, you can use Rovo in it as the part of it. And go for this Rovo search and more. Yeah, sure, you can do that. Summarize text in chat. So when I summarize the text in chat, I don't get any results. No. No, I don't get anything, which is okay, but for additional text, if you go here, for example, now it's just all right. So summarize text in chat. No, it's not getting there. But that's fine. That is okay. So now that is going to be my home page in here, which is actually pretty interesting, and I'm gonna be using this. It's really useful. So, because it's like the context of having everything in one screen, where basically you don't have to leave, you don't have to do anything. So, this is something that developers were mentioning, that was one of the problems. So you could say to them, well, why not install the Rovo Chrome extension? So you don't have to switch between thousands of screens and writing the comments and everything else, where basically you can do everything from your browser. And I understand they don't want to do this from their browser, they want to do this from the IDEs, which is also solvable by using the Atlassian's MCP server, which is another option. But yet there you have it. These are the capabilities of the Rovo Chrome extension, and that is how you can actually install it and how you can actually use it. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel as well, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Bye.